Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by completing essential prerequisites. Verify your email and phone, enable 2FA, and set a secure PIN. Once done, link a bank account or card and make a small $50 test deposit so you can confirm transfers quickly. Make sure to enable biometrics for faster access. This saves time and keeps your session secure. You're starting transactions now, so check limits and identity prompts. Confirming these first steps prevents interruptions when you move to the next setup phase. You now configure active trading. Build a watch list with your top 10 symbols so you can monitor momentum and volume at a glance. Once you pick a symbol, choose the order type, mark it for immediate fills, limit for price control, or stop loss to manage risk, and set time in force. Then allocate funds by dollar amount or percent of portfolio. This prevents oversized positions. As you execute, watch confirmations and recent fills. If an order stalls, cancel and reevaluate price, or split into smaller orders. You complete the process by confirming fills and reviewing your open positions and P&L on the dashboard. This ensures trades executed as intended. Once confirmed, set alerts for price levels and adjust stop loss or take profit orders to lock gains or limit losses. If you need to close a position, use the quick exit button or place a reverse order. If funding or transfers fail, retry with corrected bank details, check two-factor prompts, and contact support with a screenshot. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.